Hi there everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a book enthusiast using an iPhone, you're in for something special today. I'm excited to share how to view and organize your library like a pro. Let's dive right in. First up, go ahead and launch the Books app on your iPhone. Next, head over to your library. Now tap on the three-dot icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This will bring up a handy menu. If you prefer to see a list of your books instead of a grid, just tap on List. Your library layout will now change to a list format. Now go ahead and tap on the three-dot icon again. Then choose how you want to sort your books. You can select Recent to have your recently read books appear first. Then you have the option to sort your books by title or author, arranging them alphabetically based on your preference. If you want to remove any books, you can do that too. For that, tap on the three-dot icon under the book you wish to remove. Next, tap on Remove from the pop-up menu. After that, hit Remove Download and it will be taken off your device. Now tap on the three-dot icon once more. Then tap on Remove again. After that, just hit Hide Book and it will disappear from your library. So there you have it. That's how you can easily view and organize your library in the Books app with your iPhone. If you like this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.